Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you amazing and stylish some starters Christmas decoration ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Friends, festive welcome home. From the moment you step in this starkest vibrant Christmas warmth, the garland, glowing lights, and pop of vibrates that make this space feel welcome, festive, and full of joyful spirit. Grand Christmas, this darkest become the star of the entrance hall with its lush green sparkling golden and luxury flowers are breathtaking setup that bring beauty, warmth, and festive charm to every corner of the home. Holiday spark, soft lights start the garland reacting of golden ornaments and deep red blooming, creating a rendered holiday spark. This darkest decoration make the entrance home feel bright, festive, and full of beautiful magical. A modern Christmas look layered with rich green, bold red accent and metal golden details. The decoration follow perfectly along the star, transform the space into a stunning holiday masterpiece that capture every eyes. Magical holiday. The darkest turn enters into magical holiday moments. The lush, creamy, sparkling lights and grand decoration creative a scene that feel out of a Christmas movies. Every detail a charm, glow, and festive beauty. And viewers, Christmas classic Christmas luxury air. Christmas luxury, it's fantastic. The garland we draw beautifully along the starkest bold red flowers and elegant golden bubbles give this space a timeless holiday charm. It's the kind of decoration that instantly make a home feel festive and full of love. Magical holiday entrance. This darkest turn enters into a magical holiday moment. The lush, creamy, sparkling lights and grand decoration creating a scene that feels star out of a Christmas movie. Every detail is a charm, glow, and festive beauty. Viewers, a warm and inviting holiday home. Nothing feels more welcome than a starkest vibrant Christmas greenery and golden lights. The rich pop of red and